Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet. Tap View Wallet button. And as you can see from the homepage of this app, you can add payment cards, check quick tips, manage your passes, and add new passes to your Google account, for example transport pass, loyalty and gift card. From the menu you've got access to your Google account, all wallet tips, contactless setup where you can set Google Pay as your default, set up payment card, check if Google Pay is set as your default, if NFC is on, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Then you can check full list of participating banks, and manage your passwords in Password Manager. In your data in Wallet you can manage payments data and passes data. In Wallet settings you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from Wallet and Google Pay. In the end you can go to help and feedback. And that's basically it for Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.